Is it clogged or does it need to be replaced? Based on this, minerals, little siphon jets, probably clogged. So just a weak flush. We try to auger it. There's probably something trapped in the toilet trap, so that didn't work. All right, just replace it. "12-inch rough." All right. Look at this. Instead of using the hole for the actual bolt, put it right here so I can't get this out. I'm gonna have to cut it. I'm gonna have to remove that to be able to get a new one in there. Freaking idiot. Why would you do that?